This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. Today, we will show you how to trade using the Flex AI function. It selects the best currency pair for trading at the moment. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. The first trade was successful, and we can change the time or amount of the trade as desired. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok. More content there is coming soon. If the selected currency pair is not available, we can let FlexEye choose another one. We achieved great results by trading with Flex AI.